Hello everyone and welcome to Driven Mad.
Back on my Mini, and I'm letting him loose with a spray can on it. I don't think I've ever let you on one of my cars before, have I?
No, never.
No.
So I am, well, this isn't me, but we are PlastiDipping.
I'm just here for looks.
Yeah, as you can see, the car is prepped for PlastiDipping. We're going to be doing the rear badge because we hate that green colour.
So do I, yes, so do I do, yes.
Yeah, we're going to be blacking out the back, and we're also going to be blacking out a strip in the front, which I will insert little bits of us wrapping it here.
Yeah, because we've done the blackout kit
around the lights,
and therefore this to me doesn't match.
Nope.
And although I bought a used one from a breaker, it doesn't.
It looks like cheap plastic.
Yeah,
it doesn't.
It doesn't look right. So we thought we would dip it.
We're going to try and gloss it to match the surrounds. Now we've gone over the top on the protection. One, because Dad loves doing that, and two, we are spraying gloss clear coat. So that clear coat won't wipe off normal paint.
Because everything we've watched when they PlastiDip, they hardly do anything.
People just peel it off, but we've never found it that easy. So we're going to do 6 or 7 layers of PlastiDip in black, and then we'll do 3 or 4 in gloss. So
and I'll probably just be watching.
Yeah, the cans are preheating inside the room.
Yeah,
nice and warm. We'll crack on. We are ready to start. I'm muffled because the can is lovely and warm.
Do you want me to do anything? Just
no,
look pretty.
You can stand and judge me.
Oh,
you're good at that.
Would I? Oh, that's harsh.
Right, so I'm going to go for a light coat first, just to get a bit of a base.
Can I ask a question?
Permission.
You spray that in PlastiDip.
Yeah.
And then how long do you leave it before you put the second coat on, and how many coats are you doing?
10 minutes between each coat of stuff, but 15 minutes between
PlastiDip and gloss. Okay.
You ready? Okay, that'll do.
That looks better already.
Move around at the front. Okay. Right, I'm pretty happy with how it's covered there on our first bit.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby, yeah.
Don't think we...
Confident this is going to hide the Botox look? I am.
Yeah, I am. I do like a bit of blacking out, as you know, as my car is the same.
Well, I'm just copying you, aren't I?
Yeah, to a point, yeah.
No, I am. You know, I just want to be you.
Okay, that's next coat done. We will be back once we've done
another 4 coats.
4 or 5 coats, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so we've just done our 6 coats of metallic black. Now it's supposed to be, what is it, black metallizer?
Yes.
It's called. So it's slightly graphite grey, I'd say, but in the darker lights it looks pretty much black.
Well, the badge looks very black and the handle looks grey.
Okay, so I'm going to go for about 3 or 4 of these. We will see.
You sound better.
Looks. Thanks. Right then, we're on the final coat of clear. You can see that the gloss is coming on nicely. The badge has got a little bit of white speckle on it for whatever reason. Don't quite know.
White speckle?
You know, you can see it's sort of got like little white bits. Don't know what's going on with that, but we'll let it cure and see what happens. The rear thing's looking great. So
it is. Looking very shiny.
Let's get our 4th coat on. And
you're saying you've got to take this off wet?
Yes.
I'm very nervous of that.
I've got to take it off wet because since it's PlastiDip, if it dries, when we take the tape off, it'll peel off with it. So we've got to have it.
It's got to be done then?
It's got to be done. So
okay.
Let's crack on.
So shall I slow this down by turning the little heatering thing off?
Right, you're on.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Ah, bloody
Happy days. That looks exactly the same.
It does. No, it doesn't actually.
No. Now the plan is to let it completely cure 24 hours, and then we will peel off the square that we've done around here, because it'll self-mask basically and peel off around the badge, and that'll be a nice edge. This one, we're going to see if that goes easily and peels, then we'll try and take the middle out and get the mini logo back of that, and that'll be quite cool. But we will catch you in 24 hours. Right then, it's the next day. We've let the PlastiDipping go off for a good 24 hours. It's looking pretty good. I'm liking it so far. We've obviously taken the cover off. We had to move the car, but you can see here, surrounds are on, and we're now going to take off the tape, and we're going to unveil what the colour difference is.
The clear coat.
Yeah, it's a very nice addition. It's a really, really metallic PlastiDip though. When you look at it with a torch, it's really, really shiny. Oh, nice. Got to clean off a bit of tape residue and a tiny bit of residue here.
Oh, it definitely takes away the look of Botox.
Yeah. All right, so that sums it up. We're
chuffed.
We're complete.
Yes.
You happy?
I'm very happy. I mean, I really don't like that grille.
No.
And the only reason it's not getting a full-on John Cooper Works one, which I do like, is because it's got such a long warranty on it, and I don't want any excuses for if something goes wrong. Yeah. Which it shouldn't do. But and the other thing is, if you've never done it before, obviously this is plastic, it's not paint. So if you put your finger on, you can just peel it off. So it's wicked. And that's it. There's not much you can do to an electric car, which is actually quite nice.
Yes, very true. Look, they match quite well. I think they look pretty good.
Yeah, I can't put any Krapovich on it.
No, you certainly can't. You'd have to download a file and put it on your sound system.
Yeah.
But
so hopefully you found that interesting, particularly if you've never done any PlastiDipping.